Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing an oracle card reading from the Queen of the Moon deck by Stacey Demarco. That's the back of it, and I should probably show you the box. There we go. It's a beautiful deck, it's one of my favorites. Before we do though, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. I'm the author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. If you want to know more about tarot, shadow work, Wicca and witchcraft, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice, there's a link in the description field below this video to a video, a masterclass that is called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. So take a look at that. It will give you just a blueprint on the sorts of things you need to know and how you can pace yourself in learning all of those things. So I just dropped a card. So this is today's card as it totally flew out of the deck. So what it is the path. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful card. So what is the path for you? What is the path for you today? What is the path for you for the rest of the week even? This is really you contemplating your path. You're contemplating, can I do this? Can I climb into what it is I'm truly feel that I'm guided to do? What are you guided to do? What does your inner being want you to do right now? The way that your path goes now might not be necessarily your path for the rest of your life, but simply where are you feeling guided to go right now? And how much of a ladder do you have to climb to get there, or perceived ladder do you feel you need to climb to get there, to continue your path? Some people say you can never go off your path, that you're always on your path. And it's kind of true, because even if you feel like you're not on track, that you've gone off your path, you kind of still are on your path, because your path is your path. It's more a case of, how do I feel at this point in my path? Have I allowed myself to be distracted or fall back into old habits that's having me repeat certain experiences over and over and over again? Or am I falling back into patterns that are keeping me stuck? But you're still on your path. So never really think that you've gone off your path. It might just simply mean that you've gone off your conscious path, whether the path that maybe you set yourself up from a conscious point of view. And this is basically just saying you're looking up there at your potential, at what it is that you want. You see that it appears to be something you've got to climb, that you've got to get to. But when it comes to your path, it's actually the process of getting there that's actually where the real juice is. It's the path itself, it's the ladder, it's climbing that ladder that really gives you the joy and the peace and the empowerment and the learning and the guidance along the way. Because once you've reached this portal, there's more places to go. You're always going to be going somewhere. You're always going to be journeying in this 3D reality. And so try to enjoy the process of being on your path, enjoying the process of learning more about you and your path, and focus on being in the moment of your path rather than seeing, this is where I want to be, I'm not there yet, and focusing on the fact you're not there yet rather than focusing on the things that you're doing right here, right now, as your path is unfolding and as your path is becoming. So that is the guidance for today. If you want to learn witchcraft with me, take a look at my course, the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. It's a 12-month course in mostly a Wiccan form of witchcraft, which most modern sort of formal witchcraft in the West anyway is often based on that anyway. If you're interested in working basically with the Sabbats, the wheel of the year and the lunar energies, as well as working with various different deities, gods and goddesses, we work with Hecate as well, working on a little bit of your inner work, what we can also call shadow work, and working also with the energy work and learning more about yourself as you go. That's what that course is all about. It's getting you practicing the craft and actually living your craft on a daily basis. So link in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.